Hello there. Welcome to my video on affiliate marketing for beginners. My name is Mario Bartholomew, and I really thank you for joining me here. Are you finding it challenging to start affiliate marketing? Don't know how to start? Just like you, I was once a beginner. But not to worry, I have a free ebook or cheat sheet I'm offering here, which is really a game changer, and it was for me. It's perfect for anyone looking to dive into this lucrative online money-making venture. Firstly, though, I want to share my short story on how to get involved with affiliate marketing. We all wish to let go of our 9 to 5 job, work from home and be anywhere, anytime on our own terms. For me, during the pandemic, working from home seemed like a dream come true. More time with family, no tiresome commutes, no office politics. However, despite working from home, I found myself spending even more time in front of my laptop than I ever expected. What's more, I grappled with feelings of guilt whenever I took breaks or stepped away from my laptop. So, I wondered, how can I put all this energy into becoming my own boss rather than being a remote or hybrid employee? So first I tried cryptocurrencies, but of course I faced many risks and market volatility, and then of course loss of savings. It was great during a bull market, hold and watch and be anywhere at any time. But when the crypto winter came, the only strategy left was to try smarter trading. But trading was not a thing that I enjoyed. So in the end, I decided to be a crypto holder and wait till the next bull run. I insisted to myself I needed something else to complement my crypto. So I started to explore e-commerce. It was either that or redoing my resume and going back out on the job market. Yuck. I certainly did not want that. With e-commerce, I started with drop shipping and did an online course and spent months building my own store, finding my niche, and designing a strategy to find my winning product. Yeah, I really enjoyed building the store, selecting products, and all the design aspects. That part was cool. But then I did not enjoy the time it took to get traction and traffic. When the sales started coming in, which was exciting, the customer complaints came in as well. And then the supplier frustrations, the long shipping times, and worst of all for me was the funding on Google and Facebook. The ads drained my saving. I just didn't understand their algorithms. In the end, it wasn't my thing either. So then I decided, why not look at marketing affiliate? So I began to explore Amazon affiliates. I spent time there, but the commissions were too low and the competition too high. I needed something even better. So finally, I think I found the game changer at the time. But when I dived into it, it was really the game changer. I discovered high ticket affiliate marketing. And the key important point is it's selling other people's digital products that have high commissions. The advantage is a low risk, low investment, and highly scalable. I targeted commissions from 30 to 100% of advertised product sale value. The best part is you're free from product inventory. No products to manage, no suppliers to deal with, no shipping delays, no customer complaints or customer service to deal with. I really found what I was looking for. So if you're ready to take the first step, just look at this amazing free ebook offer or cheat sheet I have that'll help you get started immediately. So here it is. To get your free book, visit my site mariobartholomew.com, or you can scroll down below the video and click the link in the pinned comments to get to the same site, your free ebook gift. The free proven steps to quit your 9 to 5 job with high ticket affiliate marketing. So remember, I mentioned throughout the video, you don't need a product. You are selling other people's product. You need very little experience, and certainly you don't need to be a tech expert. So visit my site and click the free book download, and you'll be on your journey saying goodbye to your 9-to-5 job, create passive income, shows you how to build a life of complete time and financial freedom, work from anywhere at any time, and create multiple passive income streams on autopilot, which is what allowed me to have my freedom and do what I need to do anytime, anywhere. Thank you. So, as a reminder, please scroll down below this video and click the link in the pinned comments or in the description to get your free ebook gift that will show you how you can start your journey to success with affiliate marketing for beginners. You'll have the opportunity to earn income online, anywhere, anytime. Thank you for listening.